of the biggest challenges with good push-ups is getting the stress of the push-up out of the shoulder and into the chest. One of the most common complaints I often hear is people saying, I do push-ups, I feel it in the triceps, feel it in the shoulders, but it's hardly ever in the chest. Well, you could be just having weaker shoulders and they need to get stronger, and when they get stronger, then you'll get everything else. But more commonly, what it is a technical issue with some slight tweaks, and if you make these tweaks, then your push-ups are gonna get it right in the chest. So the biggest reason why your chest may not be engaging is you have elevated scapula. Your shoulder blades are up and forward. Essentially, whenever you're doing anything and your shoulders are up and raised, this is like the off position for your chest. Like there is nothing here in my pecs. This is just nothing. So down and back, that's why I'm always giving folks this stretch, right? Down and back, gets the chest to be fully engaged while you're doing your push-ups. Also noticing that the elbows are kind of in. I talk about torquing a lot, right? That's going to engage your chest muscles to a higher degree, even if you have a wider chest, a wider grip. And I know a lot of people are like, wide grip, that's the way to get the chest. Well, if your shoulders are up, nothing's gonna be turning on. Also notice when my shoulders go up, the elbows wing right on out. So this might get a little bit in the pectoral minor, and you might feel it more in the shoulders, but this is going to definitely not produce the tension in the chest that you want. At the same time, hand position from higher to lower is also key. A lot of times the shoulders are elevating because the hands are too high. So you're pressing with the hands either at the upper chest or sometimes even under the throat. Sometimes you'll see that where people will do push-ups like they're trying to bring their head between their hands. It's different for different body types, but generally keeping the hands the lower part of the chest is gonna be able to get those shoulders down and back and give you more of a power press from the chest. So it might be needing to go a little lower than you think. So I know these are small little tweaks and you'll have to kind of experiment with them, but little things like this can make all the difference in the world. If you want to know more about push-ups, check out these videos here. Subscribe here if you're new here as well. Till then, be fit, live free.